Hi and welcome to this 2ndNumber quick walkthrough. So now you've signed up to 2ndNumber and you've got your UK or US number, it's time to start using it. So we'll log into the login page here. Here I'm using a UK number, as we can see. I'll click sign in. And the first screen that you get presented with is where you send and receive text messages. So on the left hand side is our conversation list, and on the right hand side is the actual thread. So for here I can just send a reply, yes, got this message, and what this will do, will send a text message to my personal phone. So this is a number that I'm sending to a personal phone, but it's not just for sending and receiving text. You can hear my phone has just gone off there with the new text message. It's not just for sending and receiving personal messages. You can also use it to receive SMS codes from apps. As we can see here, we've got TransferWise code, which is a famous money transfer app. Instagram, we all know Instagram. We've got our Instagram code. So they will come in too. So you can use these 2ndNumbers to sign up to Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, etc., etc. The next icon on the left hand side is the profile page. So if you need to top up credits, if you do use up the credits in your bundle, you can top it up here. You can enable notifications. So these are desktop and mobile phone notifications. So if you just tap this button to enable or disable, then when a text message comes in, you'll get a desktop notification. So in Windows, it will be a little bubble in the corner of the screen. And if you're on Android, you'll see a system notification come in at the top. So we know what those look like. Unfortunately, Apple doesn't support push notifications, so you won't get that on Apple. But I believe on Chrome on Apple, you might get it to work. But unfortunately, that's mainly for Android and Windows users. Linking accounts, you can type in a second number account that you have with us. Type it in there and away you go. You can stack on some of these deals up to 3 numbers. So if you've got 3 numbers with us, it means you have just one login and you can access the numbers through a drop-down list without having to log in every time. Then we'll scroll down a little bit. Call diversion. You can turn on call diversion, so that will send phone calls to a mobile or landline number of your choice. So anyone that calls your 2ndNumber will be diverted to that number. So I've set that divert there. And what else have we got here? We've got SMS to email. So we can tick this tick box and it will turn on SMS to email. So that will send a SMS to your email inbox to this email address that you specify here. So that's that section. Contact section, as it suggests, name and address, name and phone number, you can just type in here, and you can then synchronize with your Google contacts, easy peasy. This button here, this icon here on the left is the actual telephone. So here we can make and receive calls, so we can type in the number we want to dial and click dial, and that will dial the number. And likewise, calls that come in will be received on this web phone. It's as simple as that. You can move around if you want. And there is a chatbot tool. So I won't go into this chatbot because there's a few steps involved, but there is a separate video on our YouTube channel for this. But you can build in text boxes, so you can automatically create a chatbot that will give out answers to your customers that are accessing your website. So it's quite a nice feature. And this is a Telegram chatbot. We will be integrating a WhatsApp chatbot shortly, but you can join these boxes together and you can get it to do different things based on inputs that your customers supply. So it's really easy to use, and then you click export and it will create a chatbot for your website. So then you can cut and paste the HTML code in there, but like I said, there's a separate video for this. Let me get out of that for now, and then we've got the help section. So we've got a load of help resources here. That window into screen there, we've got loads of different articles that you can review and help yourself there using the online resources. But if there are any questions, of course, you can just reach out to us on Facebook channels, on our website. We've got email as well, and a chatbot too on our website. So I think that's enough for now, but if there are other questions, obviously just reach out to us and we'll do our best to help.